Most people keep the number row enabled so they can type numbers quickly. But it also takes up valuable screen space all the time, even when you don't need the number keys. Your Google keyboard has a few hidden features that let you type numbers and symbols just as fast, while also making the keyboard much more efficient. Let me show you the settings you should enable. Go to Google Keyboard Settings, then Preferences. First, disable number row, we don't need it anymore. Then scroll down. Enable touch and hold keys for symbols. This puts numbers and common punctuation on the keyboard and you can access them by long pressing a key. With this, you can get rid of the number row, giving you more space for the display. Then enable flick keys to enter symbols. This is a new feature and most people don't know about this. With this enabled, just swipe down on any key to instantly type the number or symbol shown above it. I find this gesture to be much faster than long pressing a key. Then lower the touch and hold duration for faster response. I find 150 milliseconds to be perfect. With this setting, you don't have to hold down a key for a long duration. Then come back, go to Glide Typing, enable Glide Delete. Now you can swipe left from Delete key to delete the entire word. Longer you swipe, more words you delete. Then enable Glide Cursor Control. Now you can swipe left and right over the spacebar to move the cursor. It could have been even better if you could move up and down, but at least it is there. These are some of the best Google keyboard settings I have enabled, and after using them for a while, it is difficult to go back to the default setup. Try them and see which ones work best for you. If you found this useful, share it with someone who uses an Android phone. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe if you are not. If you have any questions, please drop a comment. I will be happy to answer them. I will see you on the next one. Until next time, take care.